Okay, today we're talking about what kind of engine oil to put in a 2014, 15, 16, 17 Ram 1500 EcoDiesel. And it is this Rotella T6 5W-40. And that's according to a technical service bulletin that came out in 2016 that said upgrade all of the trucks from the previous oil to the 5W-40. And another trick is buy this stuff on Amazon. I'll put a link to this oil in the description below. I'll put a link to the oil filter in the description below. I'll also put a link to somebody else on YouTube that's got a great video on how to change your engine oil. But anyway, this is what is recommended. I know there's other oils that meet certain standards, but I'd recommend this. And it's not available anywhere around town because of the pandemic, so jump in, grab it on YouTube. And you need 10.5 quarts, so you need 3 gallons. You need 2.5 plus gallons. Yeah, so the oil filter you need is a Mopar 6822-9402AA. I'll put the link available to that. And the technical service bulletin was August 2016, and it's 18-087-16 revision A. So I'll also put a link to the service bulletin in the description so you can reference it. And thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.